Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is me, Saad Ali, son of Muhammad Amin, studying in class 10th A. I have been given an opportunity to present here history and knowledge about Human Rights Day in Government Boys High School, Rati. As you are all aware that 10th December every year is celebrated as all Human Rights Day. Human Rights Day is the day in 1948, the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Human Rights Day started after 1950 and Assembly passed a resolution inviting all states and interested organizations to adopt 10th December of each year as Human Rights Day. Today on 10th December 2021, it is the 73rd celebration of and third anniversary of Human Rights Day. This day, 10th December, is celebrated across the world to commemorate the day in 1948. The United Nations General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights Day. I would tell you for which rights this day is celebrated across the world. First of all, the right to life and liberty. And second, freedom from slavery and torture. The third, freedom from opinion and expression. And the fourth, the right to work and education. Theme for today means 10th December 2021, equality reducing inequality. Equality reducing inequality and Human Rights Day. This year Human Rights Day theme relates to equality and Article 1 of the UDHR. All human rights beings are born free and equal to dignity and rights. All that I had knowledge Human Rights Day I have told in my speech. Thank you.